seriously, I'm just trying to help you, okay?
I appreciate it.
All right. Here, hold on to it.
I'm saying, guys, fuck you! Fuck you! You hit me! Fuck you! Help me! Help me!
It's all right. We got it. Relax, slide over.
Tampa International Airport, December 22, 2022. Officers detained a visibly intoxicated traveler. Here is the legal analysis.
Let me get going on this shit, I don't know what else to say.
Well, let's see what happens when she gets back. Hopefully she's got your bag. And then you hop on your Uber and get to go wherever you're going.
Is this the bitch that's gonna... Because you know I didn't have shit on my bag, right? Besides,
no, we just want you to get
besides my shooters. Yeah. You already saw that on the cam.
No. You can't. That was at the other airport.
Wait, were y'all stinging me?
What are you talking about?
We are here because you keep...
Wait a minute, for what? Why ain't y'all... Okay, that's... You couldn't even run a fucking cigarette?
Like I'm gonna leave the
Fucking cigarette? That's all I wanted. I would have shut the fuck up.
You're gonna get ahead and get a cigarette. Just calm down.
Give me out of here.
As soon as we get your bag. Right? Because then if you don't have your bag,
can
then...
I have my two other fucking shooters?
Because
I still have leftovers.
I don't know that.
I do have leftover shooters.
Okay. Well,
Hey, can you go ahead and take them so I can go to the gas station?
Okay. Well, let's wait on her
So you can clear me.
Okay.
Because my dad is going to ask you.
All right, I'm not going to say a word.
Clear me.
All right, I'll tell Dad you are good to go. Is Dad coming to get you, or I think you said Uber's coming to get you?
Where are we?
In Tampa, Florida.
Dad is not coming.
Uber's coming.
Can I have those shots?
I'm not going to take them from you.
No, I'm saying, can you tell Dad? I didn't know you knew my dad.
I don't know your dad.
Clayton Carrington?
I don't know who that is. I mean, obviously he's your dad. Where are you from?
I'm from Fort Missouri.
Oh, okay.
I'm not trying to step on any else's toes, but...
You're not stepping on my toes. You were just going the wrong way.
You do not have to tell him shit.
I won't tell him shit. You can tell him whatever you want to tell him. I'm not going to tell him anything.
Hey, I'm not a liar, so I'm going to tell him that y'all stung me up.
Okay, you tell him whatever you want to tell him,
Is it
man.
okay if I pay you on the bet?
I don't need nothing from you.
But I kind of had to, but he said, do not fuck me.
Okay.
Please, I'm going to have to call him right now. What is your name? Because you are a very nice person.
I just told you I was Mike.
I know.
And my last name is Ruiz. That's all good. We're all good.
What is your name?
We're all good. I'm Mike. Mike.
Mike?
Yep.
What's your last name?
Ruiz.
Are you taking over?
Yeah, because it didn't seem like you liked him.
Well, I don't like
We're waiting. She's checking because he thinks he left something on the airplane.
He what?
He left something on the airplane.
Oh, okay.
So that's what we're waiting on. He's very intoxicated and forgets lots of stuff.
Whoever the people like, we don't like our current sheriff.
Okay.
So it is kind of like
we don't work for the sheriff, so we don't always
I'm
like
sure
our.
You've seen,
we don't like our current sheriff all the time.
I'm sure you've seen Dutton shit. And I'm not threatening you of any of that shit. I just love Kevin Costner's new show. It's pretty bad. But that's it. So that's all I have to say.
He kept trying to. No, he's here from Missouri. He kept trying to go the wrong way up TSA, and that's what caught my eye. And then the TSA guy walking down here because he said he forgot the something on the plane. So the lady's actually down there looking on the plane right now.
What's your name again?
Mike. Okay. This is Gary.
Gary?
What's up, brother? How you doing?
It's very nice to meet you.
All right. Just give us a second. We're gonna get your stuff.
Yeah.
Don't you want your backpack? She wants to go look.
Yeah.
Right there with you.
There
you go.
You here to visit somebody in Tampa? Yeah.
Yeah, just my brother. I've never been down here before. That's what I'm saying.
Good, man. Good. I hope you enjoy it.
That's why I was asking, is there anything we need to do while I'm down here?
Busch Gardens, pretty cool.
Now is that
There's
just
some
like
things
the flowers and stuff?
No. It's got roller coasters and stuff. It's pretty.
I'm cool with that because
Yeah,
I
good
live
stuff.
in Missouri. So
Okay, yeah, it's good stuff.
not
You
one
got
of those, like,
Disney World's pretty close. You got SeaWorld's pretty close. Everything's within an hour or two.
I'm a huge fan of reptiles, dude. That's
Now
my-
there's a couple places you can go for that too. So Gatorland, pretty good stuff.
That'd be cool.
Yeah.
I really just want to go a place I can have a cigarette.
Oh, you'll be there in a few minutes. So just
Your cigarettes in your backpack?
Yeah, they'd be on my on the top of the part.
Did we find his backpack?
Actually, I have my lighter, one of the short ones right here.
Do you have a suitcase?
And then,
did you have a suitcase?
yeah, I have a carry-on suitcase. It's like
so-
it starts with this. See?
You can bring it up here due to security issues. So it will be in the baggage claim. It's at baggage claim. It's
All right,
already
we'll
been
take
sent.
Okay. All right, we'll take you to where it's at. It's where all the bags are.
Yeah, all the bag.
Come
It's
on.
been taken up where all the baggage is at.
Come on.
Let's go, man.
Yeah, but just out of curiosity, I don't want them touched on.
Clayton, we're just taking you there. We're not touching it.
They're not
I just
touching
wanna-
it. It'll be on the carousel.
Just so you hear, I just want to smoke a cigarette. So can I put you first and grab the cigarette?
It's already gone.
When you go downstairs.
It's already gone. They already put it on the container.
But you heard what I said, though.
Come on.
Yeah, just watch.
Clayton, what do you do for a living? Anything fun? Clayton, we're going this way. Come on. Clayton, come on.
Nope.
We're gonna miss the train.
Nope.
Clayton, this is gonna go south really fast.
shit.
Get your ass on that train right now.
You saw
Gary.
me. I'm refusing. I'm refusing.
Okay.
Hey, man. We're trying to get you to your stuff.
Your stuff's gonna disappear. Your cigarettes are gonna disappear.
I don't care, but these people.
Okay.
No, I didn't do anything wrong.
We're
Legally,
not
I didn't
taking
do
you
anything.
to jail.
Leave me
We're
alone.
taking you
Let me
to
go on
your
my
stuff.
flight. Leave me alone. Go away. I just need these people to leave me alone. Let me
We
go
will.
on my scene.
Once you get over there.
Can you call your brother so I can talk to him?
How about you leave me alone? You want to talk? You what? What do you think my brother's gonna do?
Want it?
Alright, you talk to my brother.
We're trying to help you.
Call my brother.
No, call him. We're trying to help you. You understand that?
10-4, we just got a 911 call from security screen on that.
Oh, now all of a sudden you're being nice. Fuck you.
I wasn't mean to you. Who's been mean to you?
I didn't say you were.
Oh yeah, he's
No, we're trying to help you, man. All your stuff, your luggage and everything is over here. That's where we're trying to get you over there to get your stuff so you can have your cigarette. That's what we're trying to do. We're just here to help you.
That's fine. Take over the phone.
Well, come on, let's go.
That's fine.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Seriously, I'm just trying to help you, okay?
I appreciate it.
All right? Here, hold on to it.
Fuck that. I'm standing down. Fuck you! You hit me! Fuck you! Ah! Help me! Help me!
That's all right. We got it. Relax, slide over.
Clayton Carrington!
I have this arm, Gary. Tell me what
Clayton Carrington! Clayton Carrington! You know I'm not a violent person! Clayton Carrington! These people are dirty officers! And they're gonna kill me! Please, God, help me! Please, God!
Just hold on to it for a minute.
Please, God, they're hurting me! Ah! Fuck me! I thought they were lying, but they're...
We're trying to help you this whole time. And you're acting crazy. You're acting crazy, man, for nothing. You're good. Just hang on to him. Okay. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. The other hand, slide over. Slide over, Mike.
For this hand, Gary?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm holding it. That's why.
Slide over. Slide over.
That's why.
Put your hand behind your back now! Now! Put it behind your back now! Enough! All of this for nothing. You know, all of this, we're here to help you, and you turned this into a nightmare. You know that?
The doors are closing. Please wait for the next train. Caution, do not enter. The doors are closing. Please wait.
Yeah, okay, you guys want to
Come here.
You don't have to hurt me anymore.
Nobody's hurting you. Nobody's hurting you.
You drug me up after a fucking
Lay
bullshit
flat.
thing.
When I flip you, you lay flat. You
How about I just fucking get up?
flat? There you
You
go.
already beat me to death.
Just lay flat.
You already hurt me.
Lay flat. Relax.
Fuck you, man.
Relax.
You already hurt me.
Relax.
I didn't even fucking do
Relax.
anything. You're not getting away
Relax.
with it. Fuck you, man.
Relax.
Fuck you.
Relax.
Yo, if you want me to get away, get away with this.
Corporal, come here quick. Get over here, Corporal. Come to Echo. We're 10:15. Tell her we're 10:15 and we're okay. I was trying to transmit and my radio fell apart.
Initial contact was consensual. Under Florida v. Bostick, 1991, law enforcement may approach individuals in transit hubs without Fourth Amendment constraints, provided a reasonable person could decline. That threshold crossed the moment officers issued a command rather than a request. Directing a subject to board a train against an explicit refusal constitutes investigative detention under Terry v. Ohio, 1968. The legal basis existed. Visible intoxication at public airport satisfies Florida Statute 856-011. The assault is analyzed under Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989. Force reasonableness hinges on three factors: severity of the crime, immediacy of the threat, and degree of active resistance. Battery on a law enforcement officer is a felony. All three Graham prongs were satisfied. The takedown was constitutionally permissible. Florida Statute Graph 784-072B reclassifies that battery to a third-degree felony, maximum 5 years imprisonment. Disorderly intoxication under Graph 856-011 was independently established before any physical contact. Both charges rest on separate factual bases.
Gary, I got this one.
You need to walk.
This way, Gary.
Get up. I'm gonna
Gary.
bring it. Get up.
Gary, I'll hold him
You
up.
understand me?
Gary,
Get up.
Gary, I'll hold him up.
Walk.
Sergeant, if you grab his shoes, I got this side of him. No more games, buddy.
No, same thing, more.
We're coming down the elevator now. We're gonna need a car.
Because I've been doing the same shit.
Come on out, guys. Hurry up.
God.
Come on, please.
Come on, we said come, you know?
Why didn't everybody
It's not a game, bro.
Shit.
It's not a game, you lost, okay?
8 years. Why
We're done.
didn't everybody invite me? Why didn't everybody fucking invite me? That doesn't make sense. Why? I would have fucking been the first one to join y'all. I hate this goddamn place. God, y'all are fucking awesome and like my family. Why the fuck would I do this?
I don't know why you do this.
And you really
You're a
think
nutbag.
I would?
Well, you did.
Oh yeah,
I
right.
really done.
Yeah, right. Because I really did it. That's bullshit. See, I even asked the dude I didn't even know on the flight that dude asked rob it before I even knew. Which would have kind of screwed you guys over though too.
Get him right in the car.
I didn't know that. Sorry.
Take him straight to the jail.
Let's make sure, we gotta search him.
How about I just walk away and nobody gets fucking slapped?
How about I hit you again? What do you think? Yeah, you want me to?
No, I don't.
Because you're heading that way.
Hey, with your mom.
You're heading that way. You're heading that way.
There's another one.
You're heading that way. You're my fucking
I got him. Gary, I got him. Take his stuff. Take his stuff.
You're not my friend. You don't listen. We were here to help you.
You want me to turn on other cops?
Gary, this side's empty.
I wouldn't turn on people.
I searched. These two pockets are empty.
Is that what you went for? I wouldn't turn on cops and shut up. Fucking retards. It's that's what you're searching
I got his
for. You're
wallet on
never
this
gonna
side of
find it.
Just take his stuff. We got him.
Because I wouldn't
We got him.
ever search.
Just take his stuff. Ready?
I would never turn on cops.
He's not double locked though.
I would never turn
All right, then
on
let's
lock
lock him. We got him. If you just.
And I just
Thank you.
think that if I ever did turn on cops, and I never would.
Well, you punch
I
one.
respect the goddamn code!
You punch one.
Yeah, I might punch one, but I respect the fucking code!
Yeah.
That's all right. Why don't you back up?
I got him.
Go ahead, you fucking bitch! But I would never turn on a cop.
Don't kick me again.
I don't know how fuck.
Yeah. Don't kick me again.
I don't
You
need to.
understand? Don't kick me again.
I don't ever want to.
Don't fucking kick me again.
Yes.
Do you understand me?
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't ever. I just want to leave.
Yeah. You're leaving, all right.
Yep.
Yeah. Your brother can come pick you up in the jail.
I never said anything. I never saw anything.
You punched my partner right in the face.
What's done is done.
Yeah. You're right.
And that, yeah.
Right. Yeah. Just double lock. All right. I got it.
Yours or these his?
They're on mine.
The on-camera statement at the 13-minute mark, "How about I hit you again?" is the outstanding legal issue in this footage. If officer attributed, this constitutes a threat against a restrained subject and an implicit admission of prior unjustified force. Either reading generates civil liability under 42 U.S.C. 1983, a subject's criminal culpability and officer conduct adjudicated on independent tracks. Officers, B-, de-escalation was above professional standard. Force response was proportionate. The flagged statement and escalatory command language prevent the higher grade. Subject, C+, initial cooperation is acknowledged. Felony battery is not mitigated by intoxication. 3 lessons from this footage. First, language discipline must hold through every command. 1 profane directive at the critical momentarist 8 minutes of quality tactical work. Second, Bodycam is permanent court record. Officers must conduct themselves accordingly at all times. Third, insufficient reactionary gap with an agitated subject transfers tactical initiative to that subject. Share your analysis in the comments. Subscribe for more legal breakdowns of police interactions. Thank you for watching.